Hi children, in video 3 I'll tell you about comparative adjectives. You can see in the book there's a big small box. Small is adjective. What box? Size of the box is small. Small box. And this box is this box is smaller than this one. So this is adjective is smaller. And this box is the smallest box. There are 3 boxes: small, smaller, smallest. This is the comparison. So it's comparative adjective. Okay. Open page number 66. See. In the three sentences given above, we have used 3 adjectives: small, smaller, smallest, to qualify the same noun, which is box. Why we have done this? Because we wanted to compare 3 things of the same kind. Follow? Why there are small, smaller, smallest? We have compared one box, 3 boxes, where one is small, another one is smaller, and the third one is the smallest. But the noun is small box only. So this is comparative adjective. So we see that any adjective may have 3 different forms: the usual forms plus 2 other forms for the purpose of comparison, or 2 comparative forms. Followed. Small, the usual form of an adjective. This is the usual form. Then usual form is used when we simply describe one thing or person. Clear? Usual form is simply used to describe simple person or thing. Smaller, a second form. It is said second form also. It is a comparative form also. It's used when we compare 2 things or 2 persons. And the smallest, a third form. It is the superlative form, it is also called, or third form is also called, is used when we compare more than 2 things. See, when more than 2 things are compared, we use the third form of the noun. In the case of some adjectives, we simply add. Now, how we make a comparison? In some of the adjectives, we simply add er or est. Usual form is as usual, and comparison, er is added, and third form est is added. Superlative form is est is added. See, in the case of some adjectives, we simply add er or est to them to get the comparative form. Here is comparative form given: big, bigger, biggest; cold, colder, coldest; fast, faster, fastest. See on page number 67. If the adjective ends in y, the y is changed to IER. See, there is a change in the spelling. You have to remember this. When the adjective is ending with y, when we change it, change it into the second form, that is comparative form. Y is removed and IER is added. Or when it is the third form, IEST is added. Alright. You see, like example is busy, usual form; busier, comparative form; and busiest is the superlative form. So usual form, comparing here, second form, and this is the third form. Same way here, see the spellings are different. Now lazy, lazier, laziest. Y is removed in the comparison form. Y is removed, IER is added, and in the third form, Y is removed, IEST is added. Keep this in your mind, all right? Now see the another point. If the adjective ends in E, you need to add just R or ST. Like sure, surer, surest. Followed. If it ends in E, usual form you have to see. It's ending in E, then you'll add only ER in the second form, and in the third form EST. Same way, brave, braver, bravest. Clear? Now another thing you have to remember, sometime when adding ER or EST, you have to double the last letter of the adjective. See, one usual form is hot. Comparison, second form, hotter, double T is added. And third form, hottest. The last letter is doubled. Alright. Fat, fatter, fattest. Followed? In the case of some adjectives, however, we have to use completely different words as the comparative forms. Here see, good, better, best. Good is the usual form, better is the second form, and third form is best. Means it's comparison, and it is more comparison between two persons, and it is comparison with more than two. Simply again here, bad, worse, worst. You have to underline this and learn it. It may also be asked in the exam, so you have to learn all this. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Many, more, most. Here also, see, late, later. You can write later also, or like double T also here, and latest. Follow. Here, little, less, least. Underline it, and you have to learn it, okay? Much, more, most. Clear? Now here is one exercise given. See what you have to do. I'll send you the image, and you'll do this in the book only. In the book. Okay? You'll do it in the book. Now turn the page. Now there is fill in the blanks with the correct form of the adjectives given at the end of the sentence. This exercise I'll send you later, we'll discuss. Alright.